डार्क चेहरा आ रहा है।
बहुत ज़्यादा
कल देखेंगे।
या तो दिन में लाइट टाइम में हो ना।
Today we are meeting together. Some of the friends are from India, and our senior most person,
मिस्टर प्रभु शीलवंत,
Mr. Prabhu Silwant, is here.
रिटायर्ड एसडीओ,
Retired SDO,
बीएसएनएल।
BSNL, and
माई सेल्फ नरेश गोयल,
Naresh Goyal.
रिटायर्ड एग्जीक्यूटिव मजिस्ट्रेट कम तहसीलदार फ्रॉम इंडिया, हिसार हरियाणा।
Let me introduce myself, Damodar Gemali from Kathmandu, retired professor of Tribhuvan University. Now here in before with son's family. And first of all, I met Mr. Naresh Goyal as a very good friend, and he introduced me to this community, and we also attended a birthday party at the residence of Srinivasam. He is not here right now,
Our another friend
but
from Telugu.
with him we used to walk early in the morning.
Morning and evening.
Naresh ji, Srinivas ji,
Prabhuji.
Prabhu ji, and me too, Damodar. We walk together sometimes in the evening and sometimes in the early morning. But sometimes it is difficult to meet together, and very interesting because this early in the morning today I counted the homes, living homes here, and there are altogether 92 homes. I systematically counted them with my grandson, and but I did not inform Mr. Goyal because he was busy, I think. And then very beautiful society. More of the families. I think about 30 families
30
are
family from India.
from Indian origin.
Origin.
They are from, some of them are from Andhra Pradesh, some of them are for Haryana, some of them are for Karnataka, Maharashtra, representing Gujarat, representing, you are from Gujarat,
No, I am from Karnataka.
Karnataka, yeah. And then diversity in unity,
Unity.
Yes.
and unity in
It
diversity.
is a proof.
But so far as the Indian friends are concerned, our culture, our tradition, our fooding, clothing, everything is
Similar.
similar. So
Similar.
it is a matter of great happiness to be here. I think so I feel at home here
Yeah, yes,
while
yes,
residing here,
exactly.
because with Indian friends, like in Varanasi, I am staying in Varanasi or in my home capital city, Kathmandu. That type of feeling is in my
Let me
mind.
say one thing I would like to say.
Okay.
Before my visit to US, I was afraid of this and I was scared of this. How I will manage there, how I will cut my time there, and I was so afraid. I am lucky enough. There's a senior citizen of from India, from the various part of India, made our trip very, very, very pleasant, easy, and good and charming. Because in evening and morning we are meeting about 2 hours, and daytime also. So very if there is any function in community, we used to together there and we express our views and we used to talk. You can see the ladies from various states of India, means our wives, and some other are sitting and they are talking, they are exchanging their views and celebrating. There's no problem. We are enjoying like anything. And moreover, we are thankful to Damodarji. He is such a spiritual person. He made us a so bhagat. So we are proud of him. We got such a good friend from Nepal, and may he live long. And I wish, and in further when we are coming here, He will be meeting here. We everybody will be meeting here. Prabhuji from Karnataka, my friend. He is just neighbor to me also. So everybody, thank you.
Now,
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Nareshji. And I like to add a few words. Here, two persons are great scholars here, two PhD, so far as I am concerned. One Murthy ji is from Andhra Pradesh,
Yes, yes.
and Sai Ramji is from, he is also from
Andhra.
Pradesh.
He's professor.
He is a professor in a college, and Murthy ji is a software engineer, and his wife is also software engineer, and I used to visit their home times and again. They have small kids, and she is very interested to chant Srimad Bhagavad Gita. And 2 days I made a practice, and even still more I have to make her chanting, practice of chanting Srimad Bhagavad Gita, very good satsang. And the Shweta, her wife, wife of Murthy ji is known as Shweta ji, and Shweta ji worship Venkateshwara, and she has decorated a nice temple, not so formal temple, but inside home she has decorated all the gods and goddesses, and giving first priority to Venkateshwara, where we visited 3 times. Let me recite some of the slokas of Bhagavata. Very time is very short. Nareshji is in a hurry, and Sachidananda Rupaya.
I would like to say one thing more.
Okay.
That every festival from the Indian region is celebrating in this society like anything. I would like to explain like this 15 August, this Independence Day, and Holi, Diwali, and this Shri Krishna Janmashtami, Pongal, और ये जो सब Vaishakhi and Holi, every kind of festival in this society from the various regions of India is celebrated here, and all of the society members get together and celebrating. Recently I am telling, from 26th of this August, we are going to celebrate this Ganesh Utsav, 26 to 31 August. So every community person will go there, and in which was one house will go there. We will make devotion there, and we will go to Visarjan also. I mean to say every festival is celebrated here like in India, and I can say more with happiness from India.
Very nice, very nice. And yada
Thank
yada hi dharmasya glanirvhavati bharat abhyutthanam adharmasya tadatmanam srijameham paritrana sadhunam vinasaya च दुष्कृताम धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे. This is the message of the Lord Krishna to Arjuna. So जब जब धर्म के ऊपर ग्लानि होती है, धर्म में संकट
धर्म की हानि होती है,
धर्म की हानि होती है, तब साधुओं संतों को रक्षा करने के लिए और परित्राण करने के लिए और दुष्ट जनों को दंडित करने के लिए, विनाश करने के लिए भगवान अवतरित होते हैं. ये श्रीमद् भगवद गीता में कहा, और यही मैसेज श्रीमद् भागवतम में है. उसमें इस तरह से लिखा है, एते चाम सकला पुंसः कृष्णस्तु भगवान स्वयं इंद्रारि व्याकुलम लोकम मिणयन्ति युगे युगे. युग युग में मैं अवतरित होता हूँ. जब भूमि आक्रांति होती है और पृथ्वी में संकट आई पड़ता है, तब मैं उनका उद्धार करने के लिए अवतरित होता हूँ. और हमारे सबसे सीनियर बड़े भाई साहब यहाँ रहे हैं, उनका बहुत लंबा अनुभव है, और I request him to share his experiences. How do you like here? Okay.
Namaste. I am very happy to mingle with these my friends. I never expected that I would get such a good company before I came over here, they have covered all the things. I am lucky to have such a friends. There is no more to say. Thank you.
We are very grateful to you because we have got senior
same.
Agraj, elder brother, our guardian. Our David is left
They have
the
left.
swimming pool near our home.
Show the
There is a
swimming pool
very
also.
nice swimming pool.
Show the swimming pool
This
also.
is the swimming pool, and where our children come and
घुमा दो एक स्विमिंग पूल का घुमा दो ना सबको ये बस चारों तरफ घुमा दो भी
this is the swimming pool. यो swimming pool हो यहाँ हामी चाहिँ नि यो स्विमिङ पुल हो यहाँ हामी तीन भाइ मिस्टर नरेश गोयल मिस्टर प्रभु जी and me Damodar Gemali, we three brothers are here near the swimming pool. Very nice.
now we are leaving and going to play the volleyball also. Some of our young boys are playing volleyball here regularly, so we are going there. We'll play there and we will watch them and we'll enjoy.
We'll enjoy the volleyball.
Very grateful to you,
Thank
friends.
you.
This is swimming pool. देखिए प्रैक्टिस नहीं है ना साहब, प्रैक्टिस टूट गया और जो वो पढ़ा था वो कभी कभी वो गड़बड़ हो जाता है बोलने में. देखिए, oh so nice. Now
Good night, friends.